The utilities sector is evolving. Rising demands, aging infrastructure, and environmental challenges are putting pressure on companies to do more with less. In an industry that relies on precision and efficiency, outdated systems and slow decision-making can result in costly mistakes, extended downtimes, and frustrated customers. Powered by AI, NetvirE seamlessly integrates with your existing infrastructure, enabling utilities to manage operations smarter, faster, and more efficiently. In the energy sector, NetvirE enhances grid performance by predicting outages before they happen and optimizing energy distribution based on demand. Water utilities benefit from NetvirE's real-time monitoring and automated workflows that reduce waste, improve resource management, and decrease leakage rates. By adopting AI-powered NetvirE, utilities have seen dramatic reductions in operational costs, improved customer satisfaction, and up to 30% less downtime across systems. NetvirE offers real-time insights, allowing you to make data-driven decisions quickly and confidently, with a clear view of performance across your entire operation. Are you ready to unlock the power of data-driven decision-making? Discover how NetvirE can revolutionize your utility management today.